Welcome. Today in front of me OnePlus Nord CE, and I'll show you how to check battery health on this device. So we should first get the application from the Play Store. So here in the search pool enter the Ampere, and now we should get this application. So tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while application downloading and then installing on your device. And after that, just open the app, click here yes I agree, pick close. On the left down corner, tap to OK, and here we can see the section with the health of our device battery, and in our case that's good. And also here we got other information like the device battery level, capacity, temperature, and more other info like the Android version, the device model, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.